Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you're wondering what cinnamon technique should I be doing to end this year and begin another year, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to tell you what I would do at this time to usher in abundance and prosperity for the new year. The cinnamon technique is powerful, and it is one of the rituals that I get so many comments about, that people are saying they won the lotto, or people are saying they got a promotion or started their business or received money. Whatever it is people are trying to do, hey, look, I get the most compliments or the most comments when it comes to cinnamon. Now, right now is a crucial time to do the cinnamon technique. Why? Because we're ending a year and beginning a new year. Now, listen, you can use the cinnamon ritual, cinnamon technique at any time during the year, but we all know it works very well in the beginning of the month. Now, I want you to stick with me because you guys know I love to throw in some extra tips. And if you're new to this channel, this is a metaphysical law of attraction channel that gives nothing but rituals, manifesting techniques, all in one place. So now don't forget to support the channel by liking, subscribing, and just keep watching the videos, everyone. I'm back, everyone. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about the cinnamon rituals and which ones that I would do ending the year and beginning the new? Now, remember, you guys, in Feng Shui, cinnamon is known as a attractor of abundance, okay? A lot of people use cinnamon. A lot of people are writing me, telling me, oh my God, I can't believe it. I can't believe this actually worked. Listen, cinnamon is the herb that you can use. Now, for me, ending the year, beginning the new year, at any time, I will wash my hands in cinnamon. Why? It's my hands that are doing the work. Whatever it is that I'm doing, it's my mind and it's my hand. So when I wash my hands in cinnamon, it's almost like I'm anointing my hands to bring in prosperity. Now, listen, you only need a half a teaspoon or a teaspoon to wash your hands in cinnamon. The only thing you're going to do is run the water, wet your hands, pour cinnamon on it, wash it, lather it up with the cinnamon, and then rinse off the cinnamon. Pat your hands dry. It's going to smell like cinnamon and go on about your day. Now, while you are washing your hands with the cinnamon, you can set your intent on what it is you're doing. Like just stating something as simple as I wash my hands with this cinnamon, abundance come to me in many forms, expected and unexpected, for the best of all involved. You can make statements like that. It is so simple, okay? If you want to know more about the wash your hands in cinnamon, watch the next video, okay, you guys? Now, the next cinnamon technique that I would tell you to do, starting your new year off, and that would be absolutely to blow the cinnamon in your house the first day of the month. Now, this can be done the first day of the month, the first couple of days of the month, but listen, you want to blow that cinnamon in your home. Now, when I say blow cinnamon, I'm only talking about maybe a teaspoon, okay, you guys? You're going to go outside of your house, turn around. If you're in an apartment, go outside of your apartment door. If you're in a bedroom, you just have a room, go to the entrance to where you are staying. And you're going to walk out, turn around, and say, as I blow this cinnamon in my home, abundance come to me now. As I blow this cinnamon in my home, abundance come to me in expected and unexpected ways for the best of all involved. And you're going to blow the powder in your home. Again, it's only a teaspoon. After you blow the cinnamon in your home, you should basically not be able to see it once you step in. You can even imagine, as you blow the cinnamon in your house, that the cinnamon is actually money flowing in your house. And listen, it is just that simple. Now, for me, I leave it because it's such a small amount of cinnamon, you can't even see it. For those of you that want to sweep it up, let it stay there for a day, sweep it up or vacuum the floor, whatever it is you want to do, okay? And it is just that simple. Expect the best. Now, what other cinnamon rituals can you do at this time? Ushering abundance. Now, this is a bonus for those guys, for everyone out there. For me, I would sage my house, okay? Sage or Palo Santo or frankincense, anything to cleanse my house at the end of the year, okay? the end of the year. And then I would follow it up leading into the new year with cinnamon, okay? Lighting cinnamon incense, okay, you guys, or burning cinnamon and walking around my house, blessing my home for abundance. Now, listen, this is powerful, you guys, because I even have certain bundles of cinnamon with sage that's wrapped around together that you can actually do all of it in one, okay? You can actually burn the cinnamon and the sage together. But the main thing is cleansing out your home, and then on top of that, bringing in the abundance. The main thing you guys really need to know though is while you're doing any ritual concerning cinnamon, you are speaking your intent as you do it. Okay. So you're just not walking around your house with cinnamon and sage. You might walk around your house and you say, as I cleanse my home, abundance come to me now. As I cleanse my home, I'm cleansing my home to release anything that could be holding me back. Then when you do the cinnamon, if you're doing it separate or if you're doing it at the same time, you then will say, as I sage my home, I am now releasing any negativity. And as I burn cinnamon in my home, abundance come to me now. Abundance come to me in expected, unexpected ways for the best of all involved. Whatever you want to say, okay? You're just stating something that is setting the intent that the sage is cleansing the home and the cinnamon is bringing in abundance. Another technique that you can do at the end of the year, beginning of the year, is put a little bit of cinnamon in your wallet. Now, listen, I don't expect for you to sprinkle cinnamon in your wallet. You are absolutely welcome to use a cinnamon stick, a cinnamon chip, and place it in your wallet. You're just going to take some form of cinnamon, okay? If you want to use powder, you go right ahead, okay? You might want to put it in a little bag and then put it in your wallet. But using a cinnamon stick or a cinnamon chip is just as good. Again, you're going to set the intent in the stick or the chip and then place it in your wallet. Now, as a bonus, for all of those people that like to use their wallet to bring in abundance, you are welcome to take a dollar bill and wrap it around a piece of cinnamon, okay? You could sprinkle cinnamon on it, wrap it around a cinnamon stick. You can even wet the bill a little bit so that the cinnamon powder sticks to it. Then I want you to fold the money towards you, okay? Until it's very small, and then stick it in your wallet and leave it there. Forget about it. But the main thing is, as you're doing these things, set the intent. Set the intent that as you're doing this, you are expecting abundance to come to you in a large amount in expected and unexpected ways for the best of all involved. Now, listen, these are all powerful techniques just using cinnamon, you guys. And listen, many of you guys are going to write me and say, whoa, Yvette, I can't believe this actually worked. I can't believe I actually manifested that promotion, that job, that new business. I wrote my first book and it was a hit. Whatever it is you're trying to do, once you use the cinnamon technique, you're going to be surprised. Now, listen, you guys, if you guys want to know more about cinnamon rituals and actually see me do these things, please watch the next video. Again, if you want to know anything about my world of metaphysics, everything is in the description. If you want any of these things like cinnamon incense or cinnamon chips or bay leaves, whatever it is that you want, everything could be found in the description. Again, blessings to all of you guys and namaste.